Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to take you along on an incredible journey to Nuwara Eliya. We'll be traveling on the famous Dunhinda Odyssey train, and I can't wait to share the stunning sceneries and breathtaking landscapes with you. Let's get started. This train ride is one of the most scenic routes in Sri Lanka, and it's a must do for any traveler. As the train departs, you can already sense the adventure that lies ahead. The journey from here to Nuwara Eliya is filled with picturesque views and lush landscapes. Look at these amazing tea plantations. The views here are absolutely stunning. The rolling hills covered in vibrant green tea bushes are truly a sight to behold. The neat rows of tea plants create a mesmerizing pattern across the landscape. The chances of finding someone like you, and with every step together, we just keep on getting better. Isn't it like a living postcard? Look at this beauty, you guys. And here's that iconic moment everyone dreams of capturing. Leaning out from the train window, feeling the wind in your hair, and taking in the breathtaking views. And as you can see, the rain decided to make a special appearance too. It's almost like a paid actor for this clip, adding a touch of drama and beauty, of course. This shot perfectly captures the essence of the journey, a blend of excitement, freedom, and awe-inspiring nature. It's no wonder that this clip is so popular among. Take my hand, take a breath, pull me close and take one step. Won't you promise me that you'll never forget? Keep dancing wherever we go next. It's like catching lightning, the chances. This is one of the many natural wonders you can see on this train ride. The way the water cascades down the rocks is so mesmerizing. Each waterfall we pass adds to the magic of the journey, surrounded by lush greenery and the sounds of nature. As we get closer, the landscapes become even more enchanting. The cool climate and the serene environment here are just perfect. We'll be getting down at Nano Station, the gateway to Nuwara Eliya. From there, it's just a short journey to the heart of this beautiful hill station. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future adventures. See you in the next video. Bye.